Welcome to the Cartify. It is an innovative solution designed to revolutionize the traditional supermarket experience and redefine the shopping process. In this demo, we'll explore how Cartify excels at identifying highly similar products and adding them to consumer shopping cart instead of using barcode scanners. Let's dive in. First, let's demonstrate scanning products that share a similar color scheme and text but feature subtle differences in color and size. For our first challenge, we've selected Coca-Cola. Notice the differences in the logo color and the words Zero and Classic. While viewing the annotation section, let's discuss its features. There are two types of annotations available: frames both rectangular and square, and annotations drawn around the product. You can also label these frames in a video. For more accurate size detection, frames generally work better than labeling around the product. Also, you can use both methods, capturing 10 images with frames and 5 with labeling. If you need to distinguish more features, you can label each section of the product individually. As you can see, it detects perfectly and distinguishes even the smallest differences. Now, let's add some products to become more familiar with Cartify's scanning process. Additionally, note that the entire model is accessible across all branches, making the detection process simple and straightforward. You can scan the product from different angles, which positively impacts detection accuracy. However, to keep things simple, we use the same angle for all scans. All right, let's throw in a few more challenges too. As you can see, there is a slight difference between these two pickled cucumbers. As you can see, it's quite easy to detect and distinguish between the products, even when the only difference lies in the smallest changes in their text. These subtle variations, such as a single word, a slight shift in font, or a different placement, are enough for the model to recognize and correctly identify each product. This highlights how powerful and sensitive the detection system is, even when dealing with minimal visual cues. Furthermore, the quality of the camera can significantly impact the accuracy of detection. Let's boost the challenge a bit. These two snack products appear identical, differing only in size. Cartify can calculate the area and product size to accurately identify the product. Additionally, for faster detection and more accurate, sizes are selectable during the process. As you can see, adjusting the size during the detection process allows the system to detect based on size and ensures that the product with the complete design is accurately identified. Let's turn up the difficulty. These two products are identical in appearance and size. The only difference is the presence of raisins among the peas. As demonstrated, during annotation using the drawing method, we mark the raisins section individually to help the AI models and background distinguish between the two products. Let's see the result. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the final and one of the most challenging product. As you can see, these two products are identical except for the word mushroom. One contains it and the other does not. When scanning the product, we can annotate only the section that needs detection along with the entire product. This approach instructs the models to focus on the annotated section of the product. For the final demonstration, let's test some products that have already been added. Cartify can save chain supermarkets significant costs by eliminating the need for expensive barcode scanners. Additionally, it offers other services that can transform the entire shopping management experience for supermarkets. Smarter stores start with Cartify.